In this step-by-step tutorial shows how to use Claude Fable 5 inside a free AI agent to run an entire company. First, get your API key. Go to the console dashboard, navigate to the API Keys tab, and click Create New Key. Remember to store this securely in a password manager. Next, fund your account. Open the billing section, add a payment method, and set your usage limits. A good practice is to start with a small, hard limit to prevent overspending. Now, create your first agent. Open the Flowwise builder, click Add New Agent, and drag the worker node onto the canvas. Give every node a clear, descriptive name. Connect the Claude API by selecting the LLM config panel. Choose Anthropic Claude and paste in your API key. Use the latest Sonnet model for best reasoning. Prompt the CEO agent by opening the system instructions. Define its role and goal, and instruct it to delegate tasks. Be specific about what it cannot do. Equip your agent with the necessary tools. Click Add Tool and select Google Search and File Reader. Only give agents the tools they absolutely need. To test the framework, open the terminal, type !npm run start and check for port 3000. Watch the terminal for real-time API call errors. Debug the code if necessary. Find any syntax errors, add the missing comma, and click Save File. Use the internal linter to catch these early. Fix vague prompts by reviewing both the bad and good prompt examples. Update the agent config with the improved prompts. Good prompts use direct action verbs and strict constraints. Create a marketing agent. Drag a new agent node. Name it Marketing Lead and link it to the CEO. Note that marketing needs read access to your product docs. Set social guidelines for the marketing agent. Click Prompt Settings, add a tone of voice, and specify character limits. Tell the agent to use emojis sparingly. Connect your social media account. Open the automation canvas, add the Twitter app, and authenticate your account. Use OAuth 2.0 for secure connections. Map the output. Select the tweet text field, map it to agent output, and add a delay node. Schedule tweets randomly to make the activity look more human. Add memory to your agent. Write the memory buffer, import ChromaDB, and connect the vector store. Memory prevents agents from repeating the same mistakes. To create a sales agent, add a third agent node, name it Sales Closer, and connect it to the email API. Sales agents require a strictly professional persona. Link your CRM by clicking Add Connection, selecting HubSpot CRM, and pulling the lead list. A pro tip is to only pull leads tagged as hot or warm. Create your lead scoring script by opening scoring.py, defining the score weights, and filtering out low scores. Prioritize enterprise email domains automatically. Automate outreach by adding an email action, injecting the agent draft, and setting it to draft mode. Always review AI emails before setting them to autosend. Check API limits by opening the Claude console, going to the Usage tab, and checking the token count. Remember, output tokens are more expensive than input tokens. Add condition logic by dragging a router node, setting the if-else rule, and routing to human review. This ensures high-value or complex cases get human attention. Catch customer replies by setting up a catch webhook, parsing the email body, and sending it back to the sales agent. Use an AI parser to extract entities from the reply. Format the data by reviewing the JSON schema, enforcing strict types, and logging the output. Use Pydantic to enforce these strict output types. To configure payments, open the Stripe dashboard, go to Developers, and copy your test keys. Always begin with test keys to avoid real transactions during setup. Watch the revenue by toggling to live mode, monitoring gross volume, and checking the success rate. Set a low daily limit for the first few days in live mode. Analyze MRR growth by opening the Billing tab, viewing monthly recurring revenue, and exporting the CSV report. Track the total revenue, not just the successful agent sales. Deploy to the cloud by clicking Export Chat Flow, opening Render or Vercel, and uploading the Docker image. This makes your agent available from anywhere. Monitor server logs by opening the Cloud Console, checking error rates, and setting up uptime alerts. Set up an email alert if the server crashes. Upgrade tier limits by going to Billing Settings, switching to the Build tier, and increasing rate limits. You need higher rate limits when running multiple agents concurrently. Your AI company is now live, and all agents are operating autonomously. Thank you for watching this video.